Me not for be your friend. You not buy me food. You not take care of my kids them. Me know them a pussy from long time, so me not to believe in a mankind. Me future brighter than sunshine. Just me gonna tell me this one time.
Good evening, everyone. Today, my day. As you don't know, my day I country from yesterday. Yesterday, my day I country, but the people them come home from school. So tomorrow, we can stay at the uniform and sing. When I already do nothing about, we just chill and sit. Kayla there, Kayla. Yeah, dude. So food I cook and be sitting. As you don't know, she love her belly, I'm love mine. And she love fear too. But we just there. You like my view? Country life for the best, you know.
So let me see, show them see.
Yeah guys, we are gonna make jam, but we explain the process, but this is the first process. First the cold stove light first. What you add in this water now to make the jam?
We blend the guava. Blend the guava and strain it and put the sugar in there and just put it on to boil.
So how long the boiling process?
Sometimes 2 hours. It depends how much you're doing. Sometimes 2 hours.
So right now we're gonna play some cricket. Father? Who the on my side? Who the on my side?
Me dey for you. No, wait, me dey for Kayla.
Kayla? From me on the pan side, no, I can play cricket and me I can win. How would them? So guys, we're gonna play some cricket. For a long time I play some cricket, but me I go inside and put on some sitting first. Okay. Are you a bat first?
Yeah.
Where's I got bat right there so?
The body not bat down there, so don't have bats.
Oh. One Kayla.
How you feel, Mom? How you feel? The bat with the ball. Peter, how you feel for run a while ago?
What?
How you feel?
Yeah, sure.
Ball him!
No, that's
Up
wide. Wide. Sure. That's a wide. That's a wide.
How you feel, Mom? You're out. How you feel?
Come, but me I go in now. Come.
Shall I give it all?
And you're off.
Oh, she plays. Yeah. Sure. Oh, this man.
Come.
Ready, I get it. Catch him!
Oh.
I can't step this. I can't do it.
Up here. Alright, see, come.
Hush! Come, Katie. Hush! Okay. Hold him, man. Hold him. I want that Suki. Sure. Good. Oh, that's enough. Come on.
Come.
How you feel, Mom? How you feel? How you feel?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, cricketer.
Mm-hmm.
If you can't find the ball, game over. Move on to the ball. This guys, the jam finished. Stay thick. I have to mix it around to reach that stage. Then you back it. That's how you do homemade guava jam. Right, Monday? Right. Jam I just don't make like a mash it up. No. But I'm ready now. I jam. Some more.
Jeez.
Oh, this is too much. But I don't want to play. I don't want to play, man. This is good. Monday! Monday! You don't want PS?
You want piece of my bread?
No, I'm good. I'm gonna just fold it up so and mash it up. Bang! I was going to stop. So I'm gonna mash up the guava and the bread and the glass of water for just wash it all up.